Swine flu continues to spread in various parts of the country, with Rajasthan reporting the highest number of cases of people afflicted with the H1N1 virus, followed by Gujarat. Across several states, the deadly virus is spreading fast and the union government has begun its battle to cope with the menace. As many as 216 swine flu deaths have been registered throughout the country in the first 10 days of February alone. Rajasthan, Gujarat and Telangana are the states from where majority of the cases and deaths have been reported so far. Rajasthan has been among the worst swine flu hit states. 1,404 people tested positive for the virus in Rajasthan and 117 have died in the state since January 1st so far. While in Gujarat, swine flu claimed 8 more lives on Thursday, taking the total number of deaths due to the H1N1 virus to 116 this year. 123 fresh cases of swine flu are recorded across the state, taking the total number to 1,233. In Maharashtra, swine flu claimed 3 more lives, taking the total number of deaths due to the H1N1 virus to 43 so far. The total number of people reported to be suffering from swine flu now stands at 296. In Telangana, 39 fresh cases of swine flu were reported. Since January 1st till February 11th, around 946 have been found to be positive. With number of swine flu deaths rising, the central government is assessing the situation and coordinating assistance to the states from where swine flu deaths have been reported. H1N1 is highly contagious, allowing it to spread quickly from person to person. A simple sneeze may cause thousands of germs to spread through the air. The virus can linger on tables and surface areas like doorknobs, waiting to be picked up. Injection and nasal spray vaccinations are available to prevent swine flu. The best means of dealing with swine flu is to prevent it. Some of the preventive measures are: contain your coughs and sneezes, wash hands frequently, use hand sanitizers, avoid crowds, stay home if you are sick, stay away from people with flu-like illnesses. The swine flu causes many symptoms similar to regular influenza. They can include cough, fever, sore throat, stuffy or runny nose, body aches, headache, chills, fatigue, and vomiting. While the government is adopting measures to reduce the spread of influenza viruses, we can also contribute in its prevention by avoiding large gatherings when swine flu is in the season and staying home from work if we are ill to keep others healthy. Bureau Report, DD News.